Back with me to go to the airport. Oh my god, it's time to go to the airport. First, I need a bag. Second, I need to change. And I need a jacket. I need my accessories. I need a clip. I need my passport here.